Hi guys, Becki-licious here, and today I'm making mini cheesecakes that everyone will swear comes from a fancy bakery, but only you're going to know how easy they were to make. Our very first step for these raspberry peach swirl mini cheesecakes is our cream cheese, our sugar, and cornstarch. Okay, so we're going to get all of this together and get it all mixed up till it's all nice and smooth. Cream cheese, sugar, and the cornstarch is all mixed together all nice and smooth. We're going to beat in our eggs. We're going to do those one at a time. But I really hope you stick around because I really want to show you this fun little trick I have to make these fun little swirls, okay? All right. Between each egg addition, I'm also going to scrape down the sides of the bowl because we want to get everything in there. And that looks so good. So this is all smoothed up. Now we're going to add our sour cream. And then we're going to get this all mixed together. Now we've got our heavy whipping cream. Get that in there and get it all whipped up. And very last, we're going to add in our vanilla and our lemon juice. Fun little shortcuts for this recipe that I absolutely adore is using the mini crusts that are already done. I love these. I love these. Look at how cute they are. All right, so we are going to get our cheesecake all filled into these. Look at how amazing these look. Just going to make sure they're all even, and then we're going to be ready to swirl. Okay, before we get to the very last step, which is our swirl, don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends and click on the link me for some other fun stuff. So here is the little trick. Take your raspberry preserves and your peach preserves, and you actually want them to be warmed up just a little bit. So you can see in the first one, it raised it up because I did not. So that's the difference. This one was nuked just a little tiny bit, and it's easier to swirl. So there's your trick. So let's do this. So we're going to do just a little dollop of the raspberry, 2 dollops, and then your peach. Oh, these are going to be so good. I just know it. And I have my super long toothpick, and we're going to very carefully swirl. All right, so let's get these all done up so we can throw these in the oven so we can eat them later. Time to swirl. Raspberry peach swirl cheese mini cheesecakes are going in a 325-degree oven, and they're going to go in there for about 20 minutes. Or at least until they're no longer all jiggly. Okay. Raspberry peach swirl mini cheesecakes have been in the oven for 22 minutes. The edges are set, a little jiggly in the center, which is perfect. All right, so we are going to let these cool to room temperature, and then we got to throw these in the refrigerator to let them set. Look at how amazing these raspberry peach swirl mini cheesecakes came out. Oh, how fun. Gotta love it. And remember, if you want the complete recipe, it's in my description. And now the best part, I get to try one. How perfect is this? Yeah, I could eat about a dozen of these. Definitely. Good stuff. That was good. So there you go. We had so much fun in the kitchen today. Thank you so much for joining me. I really appreciate it. I can't wait to see you next time, okay? Bye.